Have you been typing away in the Word document? You know you made typo. You go back to fix it and it's not there. It's been fixed for you. Well, here in the Word 2019 there are a number of autocorrect options that will automatically fix things up. Common typos, for example capitalization, the names of days and months. Well, we are going to explore autocorrect and how you can customize it to fit your needs. We are going to start with new blank document. Go ahead and click a file and new blank document. Right here with the cursor flashing of the type of left hand, type left hand top of the screen. We are ready to start typing. Let's type in welcome to our this course. But don't type in capitalized W. Just type in lowercase welcome. Hit the spacebar and look what happens. It gets capitalized for you. Word knows this is the beginning of sentences. It will do the capitalization for you. We will continue on to this course on Word 2019. Hit the period, leave space. Type in today with the lowercase t. Today is O. When you hit the spacebar and continue typing, it gets capitalized. Beginning of the sentence. Let's type in Wednesday in the lowercase. Notice as we continue to type, it actually pops up indicating we probably want to type in Wednesday. And all we have to do is press enter to finish it off and get it capitalized for us. Let's type in October in lowercase. You can see we don't have to type much before Word recognizes we probably want the month October, and we can hit the enter to put that in. We will continue and just type in some numbers. There we go. Alright, hit enter a couple of times. Let's try a couple of words that are often misspelled. Not necessarily misspelled, but just the way we type quickly and can cause typos to happen. Type in this end and but type in AGN. Leave space. You can see it gets fixed. There we go. That's an example. Hit enter again a couple of times. Type in word receive lowercase r and we will reverse the I before E except after C rule. IU, leave a space, it gets capitalized and it gets the correct for spelling. These are all part of the autocorrect options we are going to explore now. Because you can customize them, let's go up to File tab, then go down to Option and from here select Proofing. There are a number of proofing options including right and top of autocorrect options, and you can see some other things that can ignore down below. For example, if something is typed in uppercase, we can have words just kind of ignore it for the autocorrect things like case and spelling, etc. So we can ignore things like that. Any words containing numbers, file addresses, internet addresses, email addresses, etc. Let's go up to the autocorrect options. Click that button. Here you will see some of the things that have been happening. For example, capitalizing the first letter of sentences. Same thing that would happen in a table cell. Capitalizing names of days. We saw it work with months as well. Even if you hold down the shift key too little too long and the first two characters get capitalized, Word will automatically fix it too. So only the first letter will be capitalized. So long as this is checked off. If you don't want to have that happening, you simply deselect the checkbox. I like it, so I am going to leave it as it is. So down below is where we can see the alphabetical listing of things that will replace, and in the right hand column what they will be replaced with. Some of these are shortcuts, not necessarily typos. If you want the copyright symbol, for example, you can see Word already has it in here. It's a C around brackets. We will try that in a moment. Continue scrolling down and we get in some common typos. The word about, for example, accident spelled with the A should be a E. That will get fixed. We saw received get fixed for us earlier. Keep going down and there are word ADN. Type that and it gets replaced with the word AND. And there's a cool thing. You can add your own if you want. For example, if If you don't want to be type in 7 days all the time, so you can put it a shortcut like 7D. Now click the replace it field and type exactly how you want to 7 days to appear. 7 capital days. When you click add, it gets added to the alphabetical list. Let's try it out. Click OK. Click OK again and type in 7D. Leave a space and it gets replaced with 7 days. Let's try open round bracket and let the letter C and the closing round bracket. And you can see as soon as we hit the closing round bracket, we get the copyright symbol. Just like that. So that's an example of some of these things that will automatically get corrected for you. Cool thing is you can turn some of these features on and off and even add your own little shortcuts.